Brush.
Tada, tu fais un bisou à papa, papa il va travailler. Hi guys. Have a good day.
Later. Brush teeth. Hurry! Like this. Like this. Right, hurry. Like this. Yeah, go. It's almost finished. Go on. It's almost finished. Continue. Hurry, hurry. It's gonna finish. Oh, bravo. Come, wash your toothbrush. Here. Love you too, baby. Bye. Papa, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He's gone. Come. Come, wash your mouth. Ah. Taffy's good morning.
Good morning.
Tell him where we're going.
To school.
Alright, tell them see you guys.
I'm big.
Tell them see you guys later.
Take a dog.
Go, go, go. Where's your bag?
I don't know.
Go get your bag. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh, I'm trying to find the strength to start this vlog, y'all. When it's not one thing, it's the other. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Yes, I am sick again. I went back to feeling well, and then Tyler gave me his cold. So now we are both sick. Oh, I feel so weak. I tried to take honey and lemon, but I don't think it's helping. However, Tyler has gone to school, and this morning as I step out, it was raining like crazy, you guys. Look outside. And it still is raining. It's raining so bad. I'm sorry I didn't put his rain shoes on before we leave this morning, because I'm sure a part of his shoes is wet. But it's a new day, a new problem, a new sickness. But that's life, right? We just have to deal with it. Sorry that every vlog these days I'm telling you guys how sick I am. But I dropped Tyler to school, which is most important. I have work later. I pray I feel a little bit better to head to work. I'll have to go either ways. I got back and I scrambled in the kitchen to make some breakfast, and this is what breakfast is this morning: crackers and eggs. Who eat this much egg? I was looking in my plate and I'm like, damn, Mel, no, that's a lot of eggs though. Who can guess how many eggs did I scramble in my plate? Okay, let's see how good you guys are at estimating how many eggs. Let me show you that again. That scrambled egg. Guess and tell me how many eggs did I scrambled, and is that too many eggs for one person to eat? Eggs can't be too much. That's in my book basically. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna find the strength to eat. I think when I eat I'll feel a little bit better, and then I'm gonna try and edit some vlogs, get some rest, and get some stuff done around here So hopefully you guys are having a good day, and hopefully I'll kick this cold to the curb soon and be back to my old self. Oh my gosh. Make sure you guys have a good day. Whatever it is that you guys are going through today, however it is that you are feeling, if you're feeling like me, just find the strength and the courage to push through. Just push through the day, because at the end of the day we have to do what we have to do. So have a good day, and I'll catch you guys throughout my day. You wanna say hi to the fans? Sit up there. Say. What you eating? You're eating soup. Huh. Ah. You're eating this? You guys, can you guys believe that? I went to work and I felt so sick that they sent me home after 1 hour. I couldn't do it anymore. Sit first, dear. He said he caca in the toilet at school. He's telling the girl that he poop in the toilet at school. And then pick up Tyler from school, and they told me that Tyler is sick at school. He's not feeling well, just like me, because he's who I got this cold from. So we are both not feeling well, and he just told me that he want noodle soup, so we both undercover drinking soup. And he love soup. So this is our Friday night, basically. Drinking soup and chilling. If you guys can see how he's killing this spaghetti, these noodles. You want more noodles?
Yes. Only here. No, here. Il y a jeudi et il y a aussi.
This cold, it makes you feel so weak.
Yeah.
Okay, eat up. When it finishes, I'll give you more. And then I have zero appetite. I don't even want this soup. But because it's hot, I'm just drinking the liquid. I don't know if Stella is hungry. Come, soup. No, put your spoon in here. Drink this one. Me and my sick body. Wait, and soup on it?
Hi guys, well, it's good evening. I didn't see you today, but it's almost the end of the day. I'm in the armchair chilling, and yeah, from this hard and exhausted week. Oh, it's Friday night. The camera just shut down on me, and every time I pick up the camera, it looks like babe. She exactly knows. She say, alright, you can vlog. She just leave a little bit of camera. Well, this is for you, baby. I was saying this is Friday night, and tomorrow and Sunday is gonna be 2 days off. Oh, that would be restful. Oh, but tomorrow I have so much things to do. Well, I'm not gonna think about tomorrow. I hope you all having a wonderful week. I hope you all enjoying your week. You all have fun. You're doing well, and all of these things. For all the American, there was Thanksgiving yesterday, so I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoy this celebration. We don't have Thanksgiving in France. I don't really know much about that. So yeah, but I always see on TV like they having a lot of food, and for me it's food and food and food and food and turkey and family together, food and food and food. So yeah, I hope you enjoy your food. So yeah. I'm gonna rest, I'm gonna chill. Baby's already gone to bed, is late. Tyler is not feeling well. Tyler is getting sick. It's the weather start to get cold. The rain was out, so it's like the nose stuffy, is coughing a little bit, but there's nothing wrong. It's just like baby sickness. It's like there's a time comes at school they catch everything, and because the way he's going to school, so he's gonna give it to somebody else, and the somebody else is gonna give it to somebody else, and yeah, and he catch it from somebody who, yeah, so that's it. So Tyler is sick, and because baby's she comfort him, she doing all of these things, so she got sick, I'm gonna say. So she feeling tired now, but she's beside Taylor, so that's not gonna help. But yeah, somebody have to do it. So I don't know, for me tonight, yesterday, try to stay a little bit far from them, because 2 person in the house sick is already out. I don't want 3 person sick in the house. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful night. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.